We just all have to be together. Yes? The next thing that happens is I'm going to do something, and the next person does it, the next person does it, the next person does it, but on the rhythm. Yes? Ready? Ready? Here we go. Ready? You go. She goes. You go. You go. Very good. Keep it going. Keep it going. Don't break it. There we go. There we go. Keep it going. Very nice. Very good. Keep it going. She's got it. Oh, man, that's close. Here we go. All right, we'll try again. Ready? Good. The challenge that I gave them 4 months ago, which we're still working on, is this one.
Oh, yeah.
They all Here's the easy one. You gotta focus. So you take a step, you slap, take another step, then you slap, take another step, slap, 2 steps. Snap 3 times. Cool? Let's try it. So, step, hit, step, hit, step, snap. Now the thing that makes it cool is there's a beat variation. So this is slow, then fast. Slow, slow, slow. Cool. Now let's try it. A super slow motion. See if you can repeat it back. Now you go. There she goes. She's got it. Slow. No, that was probably. Alright, so y'all are free to mingle, walk around. As you see, we have a bathroom, even though it's not open anymore. I think someone's in there, I'm not sure. But there's a bathroom here at the studio. This is Studio A, that's Studio B over there.
That's not a studio, how dare you?
That's my brother. Anyway, so classes are always, I almost